friends, this is Icon Tech Buddies and you are watching Icon Tech Buddies YouTube channel. So before entering to video, if you are seeing my channel at first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications on your phone. So that now Amazon offering work from home for degree passed students, or you can work from home at any age. So there are Bangalore, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Hyderabad and Mumbai are recruiting. So this is time of COVID-19. So COVID-19 according to COVID-19 pandemic, the Amazon offering you to work from home. So the basic educational qualifications or requirements are bachelor's degree is needed, and if you are fresher you can apply for the job. 0 to 10 years of experienced people can apply for the job, and must have knowledge in English along with Hindi, and there will be 24/7 working environment, that is night shift also there. There are totally weekly rotationally 2 consecutive day of leave, 5-day working in a week and 2 days of consecutive days off. Then you have to practice the ability to use a desktop or laptop and familiarity with internet browsers, Windows OS, Microsoft Outlook and MS Office. And should have a good internet connection with minimum of 20 MB per second, better, and should have at least 100 GB data from reliable provider. So now we can check how to apply for Amazon jobs or how to apply for this job. So the recruitments are different for different places, that is for Chennai, Bangalore. So I will given the link for separate all places in description box. You can check from there. And first of all, if you are already logged in or already applied in Amazon jobs, you can log in from here. If you are new to Amazon jobs, then you can create one account. When you click on the create account, there will be asking for one tab is asking for email address, and there is one new password and confirm that. So here you will write a password here. The same exact password will be written here also, and create account. After you will have to sign in account. Then the first one is resume. So you have to upload your resume here and click on next. After that you have to fill the contact information, your first name, your last name and your email address. So you must ensure that the email address is correct, because the further communication from Amazon will be takes place in email address, your mobile number and address line, then your city, your pin code, that is postal code, country and your state. And after filling these, save and click save and continue. The next one is general questions. So are you willing to relocate, preferred work location, then how did you hear about this role, and if advertisement please specify. After that save and continue. Then there will be one work history and skills. How many years of work experience do you have, and your current employer, then your skills, save and continue. After that your education, you can fill these fields and save and continue. Then work eligibility, so please read all these things and click on yes or no as per your opinion. Then acknowledgement, please read this and your acknowledgement, tick mark on here and click save and continue. After that, they are asking for your gender. If you are not able to give the gender, you can choose I choose not to self identity. So save and continue. This, after filling the application form, you can see your preview of your application. So carefully read all these things. If any error happens in this, the company will reject you. So please read all things perfectly. After that, click on submit application. When you click on your submit application, there will be one ID and go to application dashboard. So there is application submitted and your details are be here. So please continuously open this tab because the updations on you are selected or else your interview date like that all they are given in this tab. So please kindly continuously check this tab also. If you have any doubts regarding this job, you can comment on my comment box. Also, when you are up after your application, you will receive a email from Amazon Jobs that you are applied for the job. And if you have any relatives or friends, if you have they are eligible for this job or they are wish to apply for this job, please share with them also. Thank you.